directed at the right people.
Oh, I will.
You don't know the half of it. Third echelon took a guy who was already done. Oh, shit! Target in sight! Holy shit! We got a total movement! You're a dead Victor!
Grim, I've got the package.
Good. Now here's the plan. They may not be able to track my car by GPS, but they've got a chopper on site. That means they don't need to.
They'll just blow me off the road.
We're far enough out into the sticks that no one will notice. You need to disable that chopper, or you're not going anywhere.
Roger that. That would be better to hold off on the detonation.
Crap! Got...
We have 100% full coverage. We'll let it set and we'll do another pass. There's no second chances with this stuff.
You think it's really gonna work?
Don't know. But I don't want to be the guy flying this thing who finds out the hard way that it didn't. It's not gonna dry quick enough.
It better. We're field testing this stuff sooner than I'd like.
Ah! I think I've got him! Think that's funny? I'll give you some there! Right in there! Shithead! I'm coming for you, tough guy! Come on! You want to escape? Whoa, what the... Damn, man is a fucking legend. What was it? Hey!
Grim, I've got the package.
Good. Now here's the plan. They may not be able to track my car by GPS, but they've got a chopper on site. That means they don't need to.
They'll just blow me off the road.
We're far enough out into the sticks that no one will notice. You need to disable that chopper, or you're not going anywhere.
Roger that. That would be better to hold off on the detonation.
Full coverage. We'll let it set and we'll do another pass. There's no second chances.
There, I think he's there! Suck on this, Vic! I've got something for you! Give it up, asshole! You're done! Damn! How did you shit! Hey! Hey, down! Let's go get him! Move! Move! You should have stayed with the lady! Oh! Where is this guy, huh? Where is he? Nobody escapes from our airfield, Fisher! Bring it, asshole! Take this, bitch! When I catch you, you're gonna win!
Almost bit off more than I could chew. Grim, I've taken care of the chopper. Now I need to take down the field's electrical grid.
Good call. Black Arrow jury-rigged the hell out of the original system when they converted the airfield from civilian use.
So it's vulnerable. The power relays are probably the weakest point. Where do I find them?
One of the barracks had one put in, exposed inside the building.
And that's my best bet.
Attention all personnel. The mess hall is now closed until further notice. All personnel are reminded that non-essential use of staff vehicles is forbidden. Anyone found using field-rated vehicles for private purposes will be subject to formal discipline. Attention, attention. The weapons drill has been postponed until 800 hours. Repeat, the weapons drill has been postponed.
Where'd that come from? It's gotta be over there. It's gotta be. Come on, Pump. Show me what you got. End of the line. Here I come. Drop your weapon and surrender. Now. It's an airfield, not a kiddie park. Ah! Heads up, I see him. Bloody hell. Take this guy down. Watch your aim. Go, go, go. How long you got your number, man? Oh, he's gonna... Medic picture! Come on out! Let's see what you got, tough guy! Come on! Here I am! Don't you hide from me! I see you!
Lost power. Get the backup generator running. Move it!
Nice job. Now, my car is parked just outside the gate off the main lot, but as things stand, you won't get far.
What haven't you told me?
There's a satellite dish on site with an uplink to a private spy bird. Use some C4 to take it out.
I thought your car was clean.
It is. But if they get a visual lock on you from the sat, it won't matter.
Why don't you go see if there's anything else you forgot to mention?
I'm gonna catch you, motherfucker! You hear me? Ooh, motherfuck! God damn. Great. I did not need to see that.